train. 'Cause there's a little baby, there's a price I can't afford to pay. Marvelous man.
On the fudge.
No, thank you. What you got?
Tastes like birthday cake icing.
Is that what it's supposed to be?
Do you want a piece? Pretty good. Sweeter than hell though.
You get one or two?
If you buy 3, you get 1 free.
It'll be a fucking gooey mess by the time we're over. That's college buzz. Birthday cake. Wasn't very much liquid in that.
I'll show you such
Should've got a water.
Yeah, come on back to me, honey. I'll show you such a time. I can't live without you.
So that Ken's barbecue place on Jackson, north of 8 Mile, Big Ken's barbecue pit or whatever. They threw their lemonades in this kind of container. Oh, there was way more liquid in it.
What do you expect? You're at a county fair. You're here to make money, not make sure you get thirsty. I'm thirsty. They care how thirsty you are, they don't. They just want your money.
I could have got 5 waters.